Good morning, boys and girls. We're going to start with our calendar. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Today is Tuesday, May 26th. Show me Tuesday. We are going to count and clap to the number 26. It's a long one. Ready? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Great job, boys and girls. Let's take a look at this calendar. And I want everybody to point to Tuesday like this. Great job.